So we have these fancy shapes, and yesterday we talked about the attributes of the shape. We talked about thick, and we talked about, ooh, thank you, and we talked about big, and we talked about, I'm gonna start, it just makes me think of that picture that was in our math packet yesterday. Do you remember it? The house had that shape like this at the top. Triangle, and then what did it have for, it had a circle window. Did it have a feeling that everybody is going to have a different looking house? When you are done filling in these numbers, you need to trace around here to show what your house looked like. If you choose to put a window on your house, after you're done tracing it, make sure you add the window. If you choose to put a door on your house, after you trace the whole outside, add the door.
These are my doors, and mine's a castle, and those are my two windows. I'm learning stuff.
What do you like to learn in math?
Doing homework. I'm going to make two parts of the houses unconnected, but then I'm going to put the roof on, and the houses and the parts are going to put together. Because right now is math, and math is like building with blocks, and I like building with that.
Did you think this lesson was fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you know why I did this lesson? Because it's fun, and it's more fun to do math like this than to do a workbook page.
Yeah.
Is that right?
It really
Yeah.
is.
Yeah, it really totally is, isn't it?